Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you guys are all doing great. Welcome back to our video tutorial series on how to create amazing AI chatbots. Finally, we are going to test our chatbots. Okay, in this video we will test our bot on the web to see how it behaves on the web, and in the next video we're going to test it on Facebook Messenger. All right, now before I proceed, I'm assuming that you have already set up your welcome message and hooked it up just as I taught you in the previous videos. I'm assuming you have created your master prompt template, and I'm assuming you've created your function and you've linked your function to your prompt template. Now this is very important, guys. If you skip any of the steps in the previous videos, it's very likely that your AI bot will not work properly. Or if you skip any of the previous videos before this video, it's likely your AI bot will not work well when you test it out. Okay, so before you reach out to me, please make sure that you followed all the steps that I taught you in the previous videos before this one. Okay, I'm still here. I can help answer questions. I can help troubleshoot if you need me, but please make sure that you follow the steps, and if you do that, then you will get the same results that I'm about to get when I test this bot. Okay, so right now I have my mobile view showing right now on the right hand side of my screen. We're gonna go ahead and start testing this bot on the web. Okay, so the quickest way to test your AI bot on the web is to simply go over to flows. If you click on flows right there, okay, and then you want to go over to where it says welcome message. All right, and then you can click those three dots right here to the right hand side. Since we're going to be using this flow, you can click those three dots right here, and then you can click where it says get link, and then you can click web chat. Okay, so you want to copy the web chat link, then you can go ahead and open up a tab, paste it right here, hit enter, and then you can go ahead and test your chatbots. All right, so but this time we're gonna use a mobile phone to test it out. Okay, we're not using our desktop to test. Copied and emailed that link to myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and click that on that. Okay, and we now have our welcome message. That's beautiful. All right, so let's just pretend like, you know, we need a car. We're gonna ask a few questions and then we will book an appointment, right? So I'm gonna say something like maybe we need financing, right? So I'm gonna say do you offer financing? Okay, so it says here, yes, we offer no credit needed financing. Okay, and then it gives us a link. That's nice. And then I'm gonna ask something like where are you located? Okay, and then it gives me the address. Okay, so what is happening here is that instead of using flows notes, you know how it was done in the past, we just use a prompt using simple human language, right? And the bot is taking the instruction from the prompt that we created and is providing that information to the user. Okay, so if you need to make any changes, we can go back to the prompt and then we can make those changes in the prompt, and it will learn from the mistake, okay, and then give the right responses to the user the next time around. Okay, in another video we will dive a little bit deeper into prompt engineering, some things we can do to enhance the prompt. All right, so we ask for location. Let's ask for business hours. What are your What are your business hours? Business hours. Okay, it gave us the business hours. That's pretty nice. All right, and then we want to book an appointment. Okay, by the way, if you want to check, make sure that your business hours matches with the appointment scheduling. Okay, but anyway, this is a demo, so let's not make a big deal about it. Okay, so now let's say we want to book an appointment. So I'm going to say something like, I want to book an appointment. All right, and then the first thing it's asking is first name. Okay, so you see that the instructions we gave inside of the prompt is being followed by the bot. Okay, so it's asking for first name. So I'm gonna say the first name is Derek. Let's just make up a name. Okay, Derek. And then the last name, I'm gonna say Bowen. Derek Bowen. Okay, and then it says, could you please provide email? So let's just make up one for Derek. Derek Bowen at gmail.com. Okay, and now it's asking for a phone number, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put a phone number in there, 614-890-7845. And look at that thing pop up right there. Okay, did you see how the function that we created is working to give our user a cool user experience? Okay, did you see that? Okay, and the function pull that flow that we created, remember that date and time button flow? So it's time for the user to select a date and time for the appointment, and right there AI pulls that button for the user. Okay, so the user now clicks on choose date and time, and let's say the user is available on Monday 25th, let's say at 11 a.m. Okay, so Monday the 25th at 11 a.m. and let's say book right there. And then if we go back, let's go back right there, you can see there is a confirmation message right there. Okay, remember that confirmation message that was automatically generated for us by Chatbot Builder, and we customized it a little bit. Remember that we added the GIF and stuff like that to it. Okay, so this is how our bot looks on the web. This looks beautiful, guys. Again, guys, please follow the previous videos step by step. Do not skip anything. Okay, if you're not getting this results, you probably very likely skip a step. Okay, if you believe you followed every single thing I taught you in the previous videos and your bot is not working well, then you can shoot me an email and let me know what the issue is. I can get on a Zoom call with you, or you can send me an admin invitation link and I can help you troubleshoot the issue. All right, to send an admin invitation link, just go over to your settings and then go over to where it says admin, and then over here you can click admin. Okay, and then you can click add, and then you can go ahead and click continue, and then it will generate an admin invitation link. Just copy this and email it to my email, which is kesiswebsites@gmail.com. My email should be somewhere in the description area at the bottom or at the top of this video. All right, and I'll be happy to look at it and to help you out. All right, guys, so we've had great success testing our bot on the web, and in the next video we want to test it on Facebook Messenger to see how it looks. Now, before we go, let's go to the contact section. Okay, we're going to go to the admin, the back end, to see if the data that was provided by the user here was stored in the custom field section. All right, so to do that, we want to go over to contacts, and we can see right here that it's working good. Derek Brown is already showing. This is an indication that your data was stored in the custom fields. Let's go ahead and click on it, and we can see right here that Derek's full name shows up right here. Remember that part of the admin area that I said needed the full name? We can see that has already been populated because we provided first and last name. Okay, we got email here looking good, we got phone number. Okay, it was able to know the local time. It's like 15 minutes past midnight right now. Okay, it was able to know the date. Okay, it's able to know country, state, and then we got the appointment time right here. This is beautiful. This is what we want. Okay, so our bot is working very nicely. Okay, so in the next video we're gonna test it on Facebook Messenger to see how it does on Facebook Messenger. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day, and bye.